Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Polygon. If you watched my previous analysis on Polygon, I said I was expecting Polygon, I'm predicting Polygon to come to this target and my overall target around this area. But if you see my analysis, I think back when I analyzed it, Polygon was around this level, and I said I'm predicting it to at least fall at least to this level right here. That's why I drew this line. I said I'm predicting it to draw to at least this level right there before we now continue to push to the downside, and we can see it did something similar to that, and I will just really expatiate on that a little bit. And my reason was because I knew this was like an uptrend right at this level right here, because if I zoom in a little bit, I said let's go to the daily time frame so I will be able to zoom in more. I said that as long as we are above this trend line right here, we can see a possible buy. And if I zoom out a little bit, you can see I said I'm expecting an impulse, a correction phase, a possible correction phase, and a continuation to the upside. And my reason was because right here was my, you can see right at this deep level, you see I put this label right here, and that was because it's my 88.6% fib level, and that aligns perfectly well with my small minor negative 22, which is this correction phase, which is the downside of a correction phase. So that was indicated in my 4 hour, let's see, in the smaller time frame. Let me go to the 4 hours to indicate that. So you can see right here, this indicates, this line here right here indicates this my trend line right here, my Fibonacci level of a correction bearish move, which indicates around this area. So that was how I was thinking we might get to this area to reject. So we see like perfectly well we got to this area. So what next? Let me delete the fib. Since that has been perfectly established, let me delete the price as well. So what next am I expecting? So I'm still expecting more of a bullish move, to be honest. So I'm going to delete this one right at this moment. So right now, what am I thinking? My analysis right now, since we are currently around this level right now, and I can see a little bit of more momentum to the upside around this candlestick right here, shows a little bit of more momentum to the upside right here. So I'm going to see how it's closed. Hopefully it's closed, the candle closes up this trend line right here, and that's more of a possibility that we are going to continue to the upside. So I will wait for the candle to close and see what next. But as of right now, I am still seeing more of a buy move as of recent, and we can just see an impulse, a correction, and a continuation to this side. That's what I'm still saying until it breaks this trend line properly and we see a retest of the trend line. Then the possible move, like we are going to get to at least this target, which is around 0.7917. That will be the next target if we break this trend line and retest the trend line. But like I said, as of right now, I'm still seeing more of a buy move. So now that we are here, let me still see what next. So yeah, I'm thinking we might just push up a little bit. So let's see. These are my target right here. My first target will be around this level to this level right here, and this is my second target and a possible third target around this level. So that will determine, because right at this level right here there is an imbalance, a small imbalance to be filled around this level. So that's a very tiny imbalance right there to be filled, and that aligns a little bit more with my negative 61.8% fib level. So that's a possibility that we might push to that direction. But right now this is just what I think, because here is a structure right here and we have to be mindful of that structure. So in case if we come here and we are seeing a lot of rejection, there's a possibility it might reject of this level, then we'll see what next at this level. But if it closes, if the candle closes bullish above this structure right here and retest the structure, then there's possibility that we might get to our next target, then our second target. That's a possible move, but we have to just be aware of this structure. We have to be aware of this zone right here after we see the bullish momentum. But like I said, as of right now, I'm still thinking we might get to these levels right now, so let me just leave it there until we see what next. But these are my targets on Polygon. Hi guys, so hope you enjoyed this analysis. Please don't forget to share, comment and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.